Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel on Manufacturing Know-How, sponsored by Rain Engineering. Here is a place that we're going to be talking to you about things related to MES, good implementations and bad. Today I am joined by Chris Carlins, CTO at Rain Engineering, and Chris is thrilled to be here.
Thank you. I feel welcome to be here.
Hey, today we got to travel. This week we got to travel together, and we met with a customer who implemented MES at 4 or 5 sites over the last couple of years, and they're a little less than satisfied with the return that they've gotten. It's not that the technology didn't do what they expected to do, but I think some of the goals at the outset of the project weren't clear. And they ended up with what they ended up with, and they weren't particularly cross about it, but it spurred this conversation. Our clients or potential clients have done a ton of research online. They've found out everything they can find out before they ever call anybody to help them. Like, that's just the way the kids are doing it these days, right? Do you feel like there's current, evergreen information about Proficy available on the internet?
Yeah, I think that there definitely could be more available to people. I think people get on the web for even what's available. Here are the out-of-the-box features you have, or maybe a couple of use cases, but really sharing the experiences of what it means to implement and follow through with that implementation to help people on a day-to-day basis. So really more of that, integration type viewpoint on it that says, let's really get things going.
There's a ton of potential for the channel, and the Manufacturing Know-How channel by Rain Engineering on YouTube. I think it's exciting. I think there's going to be a lot of content. We're working on a lot of things right now to try to get us there. So just wanted to plug it for a minute so that people know what we're trying to do. And yeah, awesome.
Yeah, that's what we're here for, right? Let's try to figure out how to have a conversation together, see where people's questions are. Like, the neat thing about having a YouTube channel is there's also the ability to provide comments. Like, we're going to say stuff, it's going to make people scratch their head or they want to know more. I mean, I think it would be awesome to turn this into a dialogue where instead of us just hanging out in a room together, we're actually chatting with people and creating more content from that too.
Comment, subscribe, come back and see us. Thanks for being with us today. Chris, thanks for being with me.
It's a pleasure.
And look forward to the next one.